I normally have a plan of I'm going to do something on whatever vehicle or whatever part. I'll make a video about while I do it and I try to work things out. Other times, it's just videos of opportunity. Last night, I was at the Trail Life meeting, and one of the leaders came up at the end, said he was researching things on how to change the alternator on his Toyota Avalon. And he said he's watched several videos about it, and most videos like, well, this should have come off already. People were confused about how to do things in the video. I said, well, look out for the sleeve. There's a sliding tension sleeve. And then we got interrupted, didn't get to finish. So I'm going to talk about that. Let me zoom in so you can see what the heck I'm talking about. Let's get right on the alternators. Okay. This is a 27 SI off of one of the CUCVs. This is a Bosch whatever off of the Porsche. And this one's a V-belt. This one's serpentine belt. Doesn't matter. One thing that alternators have trouble with is they will wiggle this way. There's a little vibration sometimes, and that can cause all kinds of troubles. So to get around that, you can see you got aluminum here, and you got a steel sleeve. Same thing on the Porsche, the Bosch. That sleeve, when you tighten the bolt, now on this one there's a nut behind it, and the bolt goes through. When you tighten that down, and the mount is right here, so the thing's sitting like this, when you tighten that up, it pushes the sleeve in and makes it very tight fitting. The Porsche, this one's actually threaded. The bolt screws into this. And this is a major pain on the Cayman to get off because the alternator will not come up until this thing is loose. So what you got to do is loosen that bolt like 3 or 4 turns, then hit that bolt with a hammer to slide this back just a little bit. And of course, mine was stuck. It took a lot of hitting with a hammer. If an alternator won't come off, you get all the bolts out and won't come off, this is probably your problem. So if you're taking it apart and it's a non-threaded one, there's not much you can do besides pull the bolt out, get something in there. Yes, a punch is the right idea, but a socket extension or anything that'll fit in there and pop that back just a little bit normally lets it come out. For a threaded one, use the fastener itself. You got the bolt half turn, whatever turn out, hit it with a punch or a hammer if you can get to it with a hammer. Going back on, if you're putting the same alternator back on, it will probably not want to fit right. While it's on the bench, push it back somehow or another. Same with this one. If you got a new alternator going on, it'll probably just flop around. Well, make sure this has one of those sleeves. If it doesn't have one of the sleeves, you need to get one or pull the one off your current alternator. My new alternator for the Porsche had this, and all the 27 SIs for the CUCVs all have them. But you never know. Someone could take one off. Just a real quick little 4-minute video. Sliding sleeve for tension on alternators. It will confound you and frustrate you. But if you know it's there, you can plan for it. Hopefully this helps somebody out. John, hope it helped. There's my teachable moment for this week.